Hello, my friends. I'm back again. This will be our tutorial number 3 for Moodle. I will be sharing now how to link all our learning materials that we have uploaded to the learning design page, to your lesson guide. It's important that we link all of these so that when a learner clicks your learning design pages, clicks a direction there that says read this material or go to this material, they can easily just click and go to the and read the material, I should say. So let's begin. My approach here is we will link this all. I will just probably give 1-2 examples because the principles are the same. I'll turn editing on now. Okay. And what I usually do first is click and open the material. So if that is the material, I'll open it. And once that's opened already, I click the URL, Universal Resource Locator, and then copy. Once I copy that, I'll go back to my learning design, and I'll open one of the pages where I have indicated this material as part of reading. So I'll go to that page, go to the page where I link that material. So if I have linked or I have described in the material, for instance, in this engage and explore page I have opened, and here when it's already open, I'll probably just give an example here. Say, for example, that this is the place where you will say read the PowerPoint on baking skills. So what I do is I just click bold, and then once that's clicked already in bold, I highlight this, and then I press this button here, insert link. Okay, so once that's insert link, it will pop up, and then if that pops up, I'll just copy, Control V. Okay, copy. So I have copied the URL which I copied when that page popped up. Okay, then I'll say target, and the target will be new window. The reason why the target is new window is when you click that learning design page, it will just pop up in a new window. It will not overlap in the existing window. So I'll say insert. And see, it is already blue. That means they're already linked. So I will just save. Okay. So once it's already saved, I can preview now. Okay, I can preview my page. Okay, so I'll preview that page now. I'll click and preview the page. Click preview. Just say no. So here is the page already for engage and explore. I'll go to engage and explore because I linked that there. Here is my okay. Read the PPT on vacancies. So since it was already linked, I'll click this. You will notice that it will just pop up in a new window. Okay, it's popping up, coming out, a new window. This is if I'll okay, that students will read. So if I'll go to this page, if I go to this window here, I still have my learning design page. Okay, this is my page, and I'll go back to this because I click. I'll go back to that. So that's what I mean when I say it pops up in a new window. Okay, right. So I'll just close this because I finish reading. I'll go back again to assimilate, or I'll go back to other pages. I can choose as to where I should go in any of the pages. Now I will go back now to my front side. Just one more time, I will illustrate how I can link. I can link my pages. So I already linked this. I'll link again. Okay. I'll link again. So to be sure that you got it. So what I'll do is these are the learning materials. I will link, hyperlink to my learning design page. So these steps in baking, I'll link. So I'll open that again. Open that first, then copy the URL. Okay, copy. I'll go back to my learning design page so that I can edit my learning. So I'll go back to this learning design page. Click. I'll edit it. How do I edit? I'll go preview, edit. Okay. My tutorial number 2, I showed you in detail how this works. Okay. So I'll edit. I'll go to the pages. I have the pages here, which I created when I showed you this in tutorial 1. So I'll link that. I link that I copied a while ago in the assimilate section. So if I'll link it in the page, I'll just edit. So okay, so after this, I'll say read the baking. Read the steps how to bake. I guess. Okay, so I will highlight and then make it bold. Okay, to give a distinct font, and then I will click hyperlink. Then I will copy, then copy in the link URL, and then target is new window. Okay. Insert, and I'll save page. Okay. So I'll preview now. I'll preview it. I'll go to assimilate. I'll preview. You can go preview right away, or no problem also. And you can go to assimilate to preview. Here you will see that the page is already linked. Okay, so I hope I have helped you, guided you on a journey on linking. The linking approach is the same to everything. Okay, if you want to link materials to your learning design page, I'll talk about discussion boards in my next tutorial. Any material that you want your students to read in your design page, link all of them, and those are the steps. So I hope I have helped you in linking. So one reading from the learning design page, students will just be following, clicking, and those materials will just pop up in a new window so that they can read the materials. Thank you very much for sharing this video to friends who probably need some help, simple steps on how to go about linking your materials to the learning design page or the learning guide, your lesson plan. God bless.